And so Jesus now turns to his disciples. Why are you afraid? Verse 40, how is it that you have no faith? Jesus said, let us go to the other side. Not let me go to the other side. You left shouting. You were excited to get in the boat with me. But when the circumstances showed up, they overrode what I said. In other words, your problem overrode my promise. So you are now living in light of the problem, no longer living in light of the promise. And when you live in light of the problem and no longer in light of the promise, the problem will dominate you and it will totally erase the fact I ever made one. God never wants your circumstances. He doesn't want you to deny them. A storm is a storm. You don't call it a sunshine day. A storm is reality. But he never wants your circumstance to trump his word. Not only does he not want your circumstance to trump his word, he doesn't want your circumstance to trump his presence. Because he's on the boat too. You're doing exactly what I told you to do. But because of the next level I'm taking you to, I will appear to be asleep. You won't hear anything from heaven. The problem was not them waking Jesus up. That wasn't a problem of faithlessness. In fact, that was a good thing because he responded when they woke him up. The problem was the faithlessness that woke him up.